Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. What is that? Branching. So what is branching? Yesterday I already told from starting onwards. So what is branching? So when you create a repository, when
Mm.
you create a repository, a default
Main branch.
a default branch will be created. That branch is nothing but a
Main branch. Correct.
main branch. Very good. So that branch is nothing but a main branch.
Mm-hmm.
So our original code, our code will be there in the original branch. Our code will
Mm.
be there in the original branch. So we will
Yes.
not disturb that main code. So
Mm.
we can take so we can create another branch. We can,
Yeah, Hari.
yeah. One second. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
DS Git 5. Okay. This is our repository. So whenever you create a repository, a default branch will be created. A default
Mm.
branch will be created.
In local, in our this
So,
one, Git.
yes.
Uh,
We understood, right?
mm, mm, mm. And when we start init command, then it will
Mm,
create the repository.
yes.
Git init, correct?
Get in.
Yes.
I will tell you. I will tell you. So this is, yeah. So what is the repository name? BS Git 5. So this is
Mm,
the repository name. Okay.
mm.
This is the repository name. This is our project or something like. Okay. Project
Yes.
repository. So how many environments you have?
uh, Development environment, then
Mm,
we have testing environment, then UAT,
mm,
then production.
mm. Yes, very good.
In Salesforce wise, Dove sandbox, QA sandbox,
Mm, mm.
then UAT sandbox, then production.
Okay.
We say like
So
that.
it varies. It varies from company to company, right? No worries. So what is the
No,
default branch? I mean,
QA say, like Dove sandbox like that in Salesforce is there. License is different
yes. So for
like that.
example, here we call it as a development branch. Development branch. Okay.
Mm.
So this is what you are telling? UAT branch or staging or integration?
We say
So
QA sandbox.
QA sandbox.
So, yeah, so QA branch maybe, right?
Mm.
Yes.
So this is the QA
And after that, UAT is
sandbox.
there. UAT sandbox is there. Then production. Production client only will work for us.
Mm-hmm. This is the production branch. Okay.
Mhm.
So whatever the code is there in the main branch, that will sync up with the
Production at the end, right?
not only
Yes.
production, all the
Everything.
environments.
Yeah. Yes.
Right.
Mm.
Hey Devansh. Yeah. It will sync up to all the branches.
Yes.
So the developers create their own branches. What is that?
Mm.
So developers will create their own branches and push that code to main branch. What is this?
Yeah, developer Dev branch, developer branch.
Yes. So developers. Yeah. So these are the new branches. These branches will be created by the developers.
Mm,
Okay.
mm, mm.
So whenever they created, they merge it to the development branch. Which branch? One
Development,
more.
yes.
So this is the
Uh, Hari, they are working on ticket base, right? Like Jira
mm,
ticket one, Jira ticket
mm,
one. And they are that how this things work. Suppose Jira ticket one, two, three, like that.
mm. So
And
like so this is
that
a Jira ticket, customer ticket or
uh,
something like this is a Jira ticket.
uh,
So for example, your perspective or a developer perspective. So there is a one bug. What is that? Bug and a story.
story, yeah, bug story, yeah.
So they are working on the both bug and story. So
Mm,
this bug and story will be developed in the future branch.
mm,
Whatever
mm,
the code, they will be developed in the future branch. So
mm,
once the future branch, they created the branch. So
mm,
from the main branch, they created from the main branch.
mm,
This is the new branch. Okay. So they
mm,
created a code from main branch to future branch. Okay. So
mm,
whatever
mm.
the code is there, right? They will push it to the, they will merge
So
or create a pull request to the development branch. So here we need a reviewer, approve and merge. So who will approve and merge? The reviewer. Who will approve and merge? The reviewer. The reviewer should be a manager or a lead. Once
oh,
they will check the code, if the code is okay, they will push it to the development branch. So from the development branch to they will create a they will create the here we will remove this. Okay.
mm, mm.
So they will merge from development branch to main branch. Okay. Again they will create a, so these all are the pull requests. What these are? Is a pull request or merge request, both are same. Pull request is also pull request. This is also pull request. Understood?
No, I didn't get properly. Hari.
Hmm. So whatever the future branch, for example, they took the branch from the new branch from the main branch.
That
Okay,
is
future
cloning.
one to
That is cloning, right? First main branch
it's already cloned.
cloned.
So
Okay,
in it, okay, it's only this is the repository,
remote repository. Okay,
remote repository. You can create a branch in the remote repository or local repository.
okay.
Okay,
Ah,
so they will push their future 1 to 3 from local to, so here also we have a main, right?
in local.
Local main. So
Uh-huh.
from local main to the local main and the repository, local repository name is ds git to 5. Okay,
Okay.
so from main you created the new future branch 1 to 3. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then directly push from what this is Git push from your local to remote. What this is?
Remote. Yes.
This is local.
Local.
This is a local repo. This is a remote repo. Understood?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So now, so in the local branch, we already have a main branch. From the main branch to future branch, I want to create a branch. So first, you are in the which branch? How to check it by using git branch command. What is the command?
Git branch
Git
command.
branch command.
Mhm.
So what this command? This command source. So
Okay.
which branch you are? So you are in
Hmm.
the main branch or in the future branch?
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Hmm?
Okay. Can you show with it is an example with
Yeah, yeah, I will show you. I will show you. I will show you. Now you understood, right?
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So this is the Git branch. What is the Git branch? Git branch, it will show the list of branches on your local. Okay.
Mm, mm, mm.
I want to create a new branch. How to create a branch? Git branch name.
In local
What is the command?
Git branch name. Mm.
So this is the command to create a branch. Yeah. You created the branch. I want to move it to from main branch to I want to switch from main branch to whatever we created. So for example, Git branch. What is the
Mm.
feature?
One feature 1, 2, 3. Oh, feature means separate branch the keyword. It is.
I'm telling that the feature is nothing but a as to the WhatsApp chat contact is the what is the
Oh,
status
one.
is the feature.
Okay, okay. I thought this is a part of Git. No.
No, no,
Okay.
no. This is our own.
Oh no. Okay, 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 okay.
Okay.
Mm, mm, mm.
So this is Git feature 1, 2, 3. You created the branch, but you want to switch the from that main branch to
Yeah, just like we are switching the directory CD to.
yes. Same like as it.
Uh,
So you are
uh,
you are switching to branch here. Git
okay.
checkout future 1, 2. Now you are in the which branch? So before you are in the main branch,
Uh,
before you are in the main branch, now you are in the future 1, 2, 3 branch. Okay, I will show
CD.
you practical.
No, this CD command won't work. Like, see, you are in new
So
repository,
CD is nothing but what is CD?
change directory.
Directory. We are
Uh,
changing directory or branch.
Branch.
Only one directory. That is the local repository directory. What the
Uh-huh.
directory name? The directory name is ds git file. We
Okay,
are
okay.
not changing the directory. We are just changing a branch within the directory.
Okay, okay. Got it.
Understood?
Mm.
Mm.
Yes.
Very good.
Okay. You need to visualize. Yes.
Understood, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Mm.
So there is a other command. I want to use one command. This that command will create the branch and switch the branch.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
So Git checkout is nothing but a switching from one branch to another branch. So Git branch name is nothing but a creating the branch. So
Okay.
Git just branch is nothing but a it will show the list of branches in our repository.
Okay.
Understood?
Mm.
Git checkout future 1, 2, 3. So I don't want to use these two commands. I want to use only one command to create a branch and switch the branch.
One command. Okay.
Okay. So
Mm.
what that command instead of these two command, you can create a one command
Mm.
git checkout. What is that?
Git
What
checkout.
is git checkout? It is switching from one branch to another branch. Okay.
Mm.
Git checkout hyphen v
Mm.
hyphen v future 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Okay. It will.
future 1, 2, 3. So
Mm,
what it will, so so these two commands, we don't use those commands. So we will use one command to create the branch and switch the branch directly.
okay. Hmm.
Understood? Huh?
Yes. Yes.
Very good.
Creating and switching both.
Creating and switching.
Mm,
So this command will show creating and switching.
mm.
What is that?
Hari, feature 123 is the branch name, right?
Yeah, creating and yes, yes, Devish.
So we are switching to branch feature 123, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
So git checkout command is switching from one branch to another branch.
Okay.
So
And Git branch will provide us the
branch command is
list
creating the
of branch.
branch.
Okay.
Yeah. So Git branch is it will show the list of branches on that repository, and Git branch name it will create the branch. Git checkout future 1, 2, 3. It will check out from whatever the branch you there. For example, you are in the main branch. It will automatically check out from that branch to another branch. Okay. So Git checkout.
Okay.
You understood? I will show you practically. Okay.